everyone, I'm Susie and we're here in the Rose Garden and I'm here with Rose. And
Hi.
Rose, I hear that you've been feeling very anxious lately.
I have been. I am feeling very anxious and I'm feeling nervous, I'm feeling stressed out, and I'm feeling shy because, well, it's good things, good news, but a lot of my friends went home, which is really nice, but I don't have any friends to play with here now. And so I have to make new friends, but I'm scared because I don't know anyone. I feel shy, so I feel very nervous.
And do you feel anxious all the time when this happens?
Yeah, a lot of the time.
A lot of the
I feel
time.
anxious a lot of the time.
Well, I brought something with me today that I think might help.
Really?
It is our comfort kit. And what it is this is on every unit, and you can ask your family, your doctor, your nurses, or even your child life specialist, like me,
I like those.
to bring this to your room. And what's inside is you can take a look at all of these fun things.
Oh.
So there is lots of fun toys in the comfort kit.
I like that.
But I was going to show you this one to start with.
Okay.
And then we can maybe look at the other ones in a little bit.
Okay, I like toys. Wow.
So this is a pinwheel.
It's pretty.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hold it.
Okay.
And will you take a deep breath in and a blow out? Perfect.
Hey, that's pretty.
Can you do it one more time for me? Perfect. That's great, Rose.
That's nice.
So now you're sort of used to deep breaths in and letting it out.
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you to do one other thing if you don't mind.
Okay.
If you want to close your eyes, I'm going to tell you a little bit of a story,
Okay.
and then we're going to remember to breathe just like how you're breathing to this pinwheel. Okay? So I want you to picture yourself in your favorite garden.
I know just the one.
And you can picture yourself walking around in the garden, looking at all the pretty flowers that you have planted. Now I want you to look at your garden and you're noticing that something's a little bit off. And that the flowers look a little bit sad because they're looking a little bit dry because it's been very sunny lately. So I want you to picture yourself going and getting your watering can or your bucket
My bucket.
and filling it up with water from the hose
Okay.
and bringing it to all those dry flowers and giving them all a sprinkle of water. So you're watering your favorite plants and they're looking not so sad anymore. And they're liking the water and they're getting a nice drink. So now I want you to picture yourself now sitting beside your favorite flower in the garden. And I want you to pick that flower out and hold it in your hand and take a deep breath in and smell how beautiful it is. And then breathe out. And now I want you to take this flower from my hand and breathe in and breathe out. And now you're picturing all the petals fluttering in the wind. Now if you'd like to open your eyes, Rose, and let me
like
know
it
how you're feeling.
I feel better. I feel more relaxed.
Well, a lot of my friends say that sometimes it just means taking your mind off what's stressful and what's maybe uncomfortable or anxious and thinking about something that you enjoy, which is your garden.
Because I stopped feeling worried because I was thinking about something nice.
Mhm.
I wasn't even thinking I was worried. I was feeling not worried anymore.
And then the nice thing about the pinwheel, which is in the comfort kit, is that it makes you just think about breathing because sometimes when you get really tense and anxious, you forget to breathe.
Hold your breath.
You
I
hold
go,
your breath.
Oh, my shoulders go like that. You have to go, oh.
And you have to release
And then it reminds you because you can see it spin.
it. Which is
like
also
that.
pretty fun.
I like that. Thank you.
You're
my friend.
welcome.
Oh, I feel better.
All right, guys. Well, thank you for joining us in the Rose Garden. See you.